Hi everyone, and welcome back to Auto Worlds. This is your go-to channel for everything about cars, from reviews and comparisons to the latest news and updates in the automotive world. If you're a fan of sleek rides, roaring engines, and game-changing innovations, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with all things automotive. Now, let's dive into the highly anticipated 2025 Honda S2000. For years, enthusiasts have dreamed about Honda reviving this legendary model, and 2025 is finally the year. Whether you're here to learn about its performance, design, features, or pricing, we've got it all covered. So, buckle up, and let's get started. The 2025 Honda S2000 marks a glorious return for one of the most iconic roadsters of all time. True to its heritage, this car is engineered to deliver an exhilarating driving experience while also integrating cutting-edge technology and contemporary styling. But Honda didn't just recreate the S2000 of the past, they've reimagined it for today's enthusiast. Let's start with performance. At the heart of the 2025 Honda S2000 is a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, packing a punch with around 330 horsepower. The engine's response is crisp, and its high-revving nature keeps the spirit of the original S2000 alive. There's also a hybrid powertrain option available, blending performance and efficiency like never before. For those who crave pure driving excitement, a 6-speed manual transmission remains standard. Honda knows its audience, and this move ensures that the new S2000 retains its reputation as a driver's car. The chassis has been extensively refined to offer superior handling and agility. Utilizing lightweight materials such as aluminum and carbon fiber, the 2025 S2000 achieves a near-perfect weight distribution. This means razor-sharp cornering, impressive stability at high speeds, and a thrilling connection between the driver and the road. It's clear that Honda went all in to ensure this car lives up to its performance legacy. On the design front, the new S2000 is a stunning evolution of its predecessor. It keeps the classic long hood, short deck proportions that enthusiasts love, but with a modern twist. The aggressive front grille, sleek LED headlights, and aerodynamic body lines give it a futuristic appeal. At the rear, the bold taillight design and dual exhaust system make a strong statement. The 2025 S2000 isn't just a car, it's a work of art that turns heads wherever it goes. The interior has been designed with the driver in mind. From premium materials to advanced tech, everything inside the S2000 feels purposeful and high quality. The seats are bolstered for spirited driving yet comfortable enough for long journeys. The digital cockpit provides customizable displays, including performance data and navigation. And let's not forget the infotainment system, which supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an immersive audio experience. Safety and driver assist features are also top-notch. The car includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a suite of advanced airbags. Honda has ensured that the new S2000 is not only thrilling to drive but also safe and practical for daily use. Now, let's talk about the all-important topic, price. The base model of the 2025 Honda S2000 starts at approximately $55,000, making it competitive with other high-performance roadsters in the market. The hybrid version and higher trims, which include additional luxury and performance features, go up to around $70,000. While it's not exactly cheap, the pricing reflects the exceptional engineering and premium experience this car offers. Honda has clearly aimed to strike a balance between honoring the legacy of the S2000 and embracing the demands of modern drivers. Whether you're a die-hard fan of the original or someone looking for a roadster that stands out in today's market, the 2025 S2000 is sure to impress. And that's a wrap for today's video. What do you think of the new 2025 Honda S2000? Are you excited about its return, or do you think Honda should have gone in a different direction? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow car enthusiasts. Make sure to subscribe to Auto Worlds and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming reviews, comparisons, and more exciting car content. Until next time, keep exploring the world of amazing automobiles.